Hello, this is Amin from Onyx, your trusted experts for all things printers. In this video, I'll show you how to avoid paper jams from happening on your HP LaserJet Pro 4101 FDW printer.
We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
One of the causes of paper jams is the paper tray settings. To check them, pull out the paper tray and adjust the blue tabs to fit the paper size you're using. The tabs can be moved to print different sizes of paper such as envelopes, cards, and more, but don't go past the max indicator area on your tabs or your printer may jam. Another cause is the paper alignment. Sometimes the paper in the tray is not aligned properly or the new paper is not mixed with the old one. This can cause the paper to feed unevenly or stick together. To prevent this, take out all the paper from the tray and put them together. Then fan out the paper to remove any condensation that may make the paper stick together. Next, align the edges of the paper so that they are even on all sides. Finally, put the paper back in the tray and make sure it is not too loose or too tight. Then close your paper tray. These steps will help you eliminate some of the paper jams, but not all of them. If you still have frequent paper jams, it may be time to service your printer. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.